This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Fluid level checks. Open the door and pull the hood release lever, located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Brake fluid level. The Brakemaster cylinder reservoir is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment firewall. To check the fluid level of the Brakemaster cylinder, remove the access cover from the cowl panel. The fluid level should be maintained between the max and min lines marked on the side of the reservoir. If the fluid level is low, wipe the top of the reservoir and cap with a clean rag to prevent contamination of the system when the cap is removed. Then unscrew and remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. While the reservoir cap is off, use a light to check the fluid in the reservoir for contamination. If rust deposits, dirt particles, or water droplets are present, the system should be properly drained, refilled, and bled. Top up the reservoir with the correct type of new brake fluid until the fluid reaches the max line. Use a funnel to prevent spills. After filling the reservoir to the proper level, install the cap and make sure the cap is fully seated to prevent fluid leakage or contamination. Reinstall the access cover, making sure that the cover is completely seated onto the cowl. Engine oil level. Pull the dipstick out of the tube and wipe all of the oil away from the end with a clean rag or paper towel. Insert the clean dipstick all the way back into the tube and pull it out again. Note the oil at the end of the dipstick. The level should be between the min and max marks on the dipstick. To add oil, unscrew the oil filler cap and pour in the correct type of oil. Use a funnel to prevent oil spills. Remove the funnel and reinstall the filler cap, tightening it by hand only. After adding oil, wait a few minutes to allow the level to stabilize, then pull out the dipstick and check the level again. Add more oil if required until it reaches the max mark. Do not overfill the engine. Coolant level. A pressurized coolant expansion tank is located at the left side of the engine compartment and is connected by hoses to the radiator and cooling system. The coolant level will vary with the temperature of the engine, but should be checked with the engine cold for the greatest accuracy. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be within the cold fill range. If the level falls below the cold fill range, with the engine cool, wipe the cap free of dirt and debris, then slowly unscrew the cap of the coolant reservoir. Place a funnel into the expansion tank opening and add the correct type and mixture of coolant to bring the level within the cold fill range. If only a small amount of coolant is required to bring the system up to the proper level, water may be used. However, repeated additions of water will dilute the antifreeze in water solution. Clean the filler neck and reinstall the reservoir cap, rotating it clockwise until it contacts the stops. Drive the vehicle, then recheck the coolant level. Windshield washer fluid level. Fluid of the windshield washer system is stored in a plastic reservoir located at the right front of the engine compartment. Flip open the cap and fill the windshield washer reservoir as necessary. Push the cap securely onto the opening when finished.